Hello awesome people, and welcome back to my channel. I am Marsha Lynn Hudson, and if you are new to me, welcome, and if you already know me, welcome back. So on this channel, we are dedicating our channel to you to help you build an unforgettable brand and a thriving business. So if that is something that you are looking for, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, ding ding ding, and every time we do a video you will get notified. Plus it really helps my channel, so I hope that you will become a subscriber and drop some comments below. I love to read comments. Let me know what kind of videos you would be interested in as you're trying to grow your brand and grow your business. So today I want to talk about how to streamline our social media and save time and make more money, because sometimes we think doing more means making more money, but it really doesn't. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can streamline your social media and still grow on social media and still make more money without being overwhelmed. So if that is something you are interested in, keep watching. Well, welcome back, guys. Today I want to talk about 3 ways that I have used in my own business to streamline my social media, right? We think we need to be everywhere all of the time, and then we get stuck and we go to overwhelmed and we just actually stop. And it's sad that we stop, because social media is a very powerful tool for growing your business and for making money. And it's on whatever platform you're on. And streamlining my business has actually opened it up more, and I actually make more money because now I'm more focused on where I want to be, and I have my intention on what I want to do instead of being all over the place. So the first thing that we want to do, and I hope you have a pen and paper, because if you know me, I love to drop gems and help you grow and build your brand through strategies and tips that I use and that I learn and to share with you. So number 1 is you want to focus on a core platform. And I know sometimes people think, well, if I'm not everywhere, I'm gonna miss out on business. No, when you try to serve everyone, you serve no one. But I like to say focus on 1 to 2, no more than 2 core platforms. And what do I mean by 1 to 2 core platforms? Now you've cut out all of this other stuff, and 1 core platform can be Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram, wherever your audience is, and you want to know that, you want to focus there. Now let's say you decided to focus on 1 core platform, and maybe LinkedIn was your core platform. So when I say focus on a core platform, go all in on that one. Now instead of trying to do a little here, a little there, a little here, a little there, you can put all your focus on one. So you can do stories on your core platform. If it offers stories, you can do reels, or you could do articles, or you could do newsletters, or you could go live, or you could do video. And now you're focusing on your 1 core platform. Can you imagine if you took 3 days a week to have a strategy, because you don't need to be online every day. It's all about quality over quantity. If you post 3 quality times a week, that will grow your business, and you don't need a lot of followers. And we're going to talk about that. So let's say you had a 3-day-a-week plan and you focus on your 1 core platform. Well, maybe one day you can do a post or a carousel and put some great valuable content, maybe do a video or an image, put your hashtag, do your engagement, and bam, that's your 1 day, right? Let's say day 2, you did a video or you did a live and you gave this great content. And then let's say day 3, maybe you did a reel if it's IG, or you did an article, or you put parts of your blog. And so what happens is you focus on this 1 core platform, which is 900 million people on that one, and you're focusing and putting all of your energies there instead of trying to do here, which a lot of times we don't do that because it's just too much, and we just kind of throw something up, and that's not even good. So focus there. Now let's say you want to do 2, okay? Pick a core platform, pick a second one if you want to do 2. If you're a solopreneur, you don't want to try to do a whole lot. If you're a side hustler and you're working, let's say you say, well, my audience is on Facebook and LinkedIn. Well, go all in on Facebook, okay? Do Facebook Live, do video, do Facebook groups, right? So now you don't have to try to do so much stuff. Streamline your social media strategy, and you will grow your business and make more money. Okay, the second thing when it comes to streamlining our social media strategy is don't have to be every day, all day, right? So you can cut it down to being consistent, but it's very important to be consistent to 2 to 3 days a week. This actually works. And it used to be, and I've been teaching social media since 2015, and then in 2020 we really, started doing a lot. But it used to be where you needed to be on every site every day, several times a day. Well, now you can pick a 2 to 3 day a week plan for your strategy. Streamline. Just when you show up the 2 to 3 days, give very good content, valuable content, right? So you streamline with your core platforms. And if you say, okay, well, I want one of my platforms to be a communication platform, well, it can be a podcast. They are becoming very popular. And you can do a podcast. And you don't even need a lot for that. I have a podcast mic that I got from Amazon and the software that I downloaded. And that's it. And I'd have guests on my podcast. I do my own. Sometimes I talk about different things with branding and marketing and social media and entrepreneurship on my podcast and upload it. And it only takes a podcast mic and the software. So now you're on one core content platform and one communication platform. YouTube is a communication platform. Clubhouse is a communication platform. But I like to say pick one or two. Maybe try that for 30, 60, 90 days. You don't have to be married to it. See how it works. If you want to add something after that, or you have a little team, people are going to help, then you can add. But growing your business on 1 to 2 core platforms will really grow your business and will help you to make more money. Why? Because you have streamlined. And mainly when people are not overwhelmed, they will stick to a schedule. So the first thing is to pick one, no more than 2 core platforms or communication platform to build your brand, right? To let people get to know you, to become aware of you, to get to see who you are and see your content. And that's what you want to do. Number 2 is pick 2 to 3 days a week. You don't have to be online every day. And the third thing is create an offer and let that offer work for you. So now you streamline your social media strategy. You're not trying to make so many things and trying to sell so many things. Create an offer. Create an irresistible offer. So when you are on for your 2 to 3 days, you can let people know in your call to action, right? And I can make a video on call to action. I think I may do that. Let them know about your offer. And you're not trying to make so many things every week, so many things. You have this one irresistible offer. It could be a workbook, or it could be a strategy session, or it can be a free opt-in. It could be a guide. It could be an ebook. It could be a discovery call. Have one great offer that is irresistible to people so that they can opt in and now get on your email list. And so we market on social media and we streamline our strategy. So when we do that, when these followers become leads, when they download our offer and give us their email and now they're a lead, we can do more selling inside of our email. So when we streamline, we're not as overwhelmed, we don't feel stuck, we tend to stick to it, we're consistent, and we actually grow our business. And in summary, number 1, pick 1 to 2 core platforms. You don't need to be everywhere. Number 2, pick a 2 to 3 day strategy. You don't have to be online every day, especially if you're busy. And number 3, create a great offer. So you're not trying to create so many things and trying to sell so many things to get people. And then you can create other offers down the road. But you want to start with these 3 streamlined items that will grow your business, grow your brand, and give you what you need. And that may be whatever it is you're wanting for your life. So I hope that these things have helped you today. Don't forget, I am Marshalyn Hudson. I hope that you will become a subscriber. It helps my channel. Put some comments down below. We love to answer those comments and make videos that you would like. And don't forget, you are the secret sauce to your success.